Today is Monday, May 15th. This is the 1965-66 three-spoke stainless brushed and chrome steering wheel for my friend Gerald out in California that has been retrofitted to a 1967-68 steering column. So this is an old 67-68 steering column that I have as a core that I haven't rebuilt, and I've retrofitted it so that the 65-66 steering wheel, which is substantially more elegant from the standpoint of retro and chrome, can be mounted onto the 67-68 column, which it was never intended to do. And I have preserved the telescopic feature whereby a quarter of a turn releases the telescopic and a quarter of a turn locks it in place. Okay, so that's the 1967-68 steering column retrofitted with the 1965-66 three-spoke Cadillac steering wheel with the rotating locking ring as opposed to the locking lever arm. So today is Monday, May 15th. This is George in Florida. The next step will be for me to retrofit or restore actually by recovering the horn button. Okay, this is what the internals look like. And today is Monday, May 15th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, which I have not restored this steering wheel. Okay, the steering columns, the tilt and telescopic steering column restorations, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, May 15th. Thank you very kindly.